What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mr.Krabs' tick from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson along the left side of a page with the left eye. So we're going to start with the base with a curve, coming down and up. Now on the right side we're just going to work our way around and up towards the top of the eye. Just round out the eye, come down and then in towards the bottom. Now over on the right side we're going to leave a small gap and add a curve for the nose, coming around and over. Let's go to the top. We're going to draw a couple bumps. Going up and down. And it's going to work our way up towards the tip of the nose and just bend that back up. Let's work our way across the bottom. Coming down and then up. And then a curve. And then one more coming down towards the bottom. Let's layer the top of the head in behind the eye and the nose. So we're going to start on the left side of the eye. Bend the head going out and then down towards the left. Let's go over. I'm just going to bend this across, down in behind the nose. Continue across the bottom and then down towards the right. Let's close off the bottom of the head with a curve, coming across and then up. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the right eye. Start in behind the nose along the top, going up, then around towards the top, round at the eye. Now we just want to tuck this in behind the left eye, come down towards the bottom and just pull that back in. Let's move up to the top and draw on the eyelid. Starting on the left, come across and then down in the middle, then it's out and then up. Now on the inside, we're going to add two small ovals for the pupils and just fill those in black. Now above each eye, there's three overlapping bumps. Let's start from the outside with a small one going out and then down, like a half oval. On the top, we're going to go a lot larger. We're going to go up and then down, and then on the inside, go back smaller. Let's do the same thing on top of the right eye. Start with a small one, add a large one in the middle, and a small one on the outside. Now we're going to go back down and draw on the mouth. Let's start underneath the nose with a point, bend the left side. We're going to go up and then down, go back to the center, go up and then out towards the right. Let's split the teeth in half, bending this down towards the bottom. Now to move to the outside, I'm just going to taper this in towards the bottom. Let's add a seam on the left side of the head. Starting from the eye, we're going to go out and then back down. Now we want to wrap the collar around the base of the head. So we're going to start from the bottom left, curl this around and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to shift the center of the collar in towards the right side. So we'll start on the left. Come down and then in to right about there. Then the right side coming in. Pull this up and then down in the middle. And then from the left side, come down and then up. Now let's tuck the body in underneath the collar. On the left side, we're going to step in, we're going to draw a circle. Go all the way around, across the bottom of the body, just pull that in on the right side. On the right side, we're going to add a square with rounded edges. So starting on the top, round up the side, and it'll curve the bottom. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. Just follow those same curves. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the belt, starting on the top left. Bend this out, and then up. Line this up on the right. Come down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Now on the left side in the center, we'll draw two straight lines coming down for the belt loop. And then all the way over on the right side, we're going to add one curve. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the edge of the shirt. We're going to go across, above the belt buckle, and then up towards the right. Now we're going to step down underneath the belt and add one more curve. Now just underneath the body, we're going to add two half circles at the bottom of the pant. And then the legs we're going to tuck in underneath. So let's start on the left. We're going to come down, round up the leg, and pull that back up. Let's go all the way up towards the left side of the collar, going out and then in across the sleeve. Now I want to draw a larger circle for the claw. Let's start from the bottom of the sleeve and go all the way around towards the bottom. Just pull that up in behind the body. In between the sleeve and the claw, draw a curve for the arm coming down. Now split the claw. Let's start from the outside, going up and then down. Now I want to overlap the rest of these points. We're gonna go up and then down, step back, going up, down, just angle that up and in. Let's go back and add some bumps going in the opposite direction. Coming up, step back, coming down and up, add another one, and then from here it's going to come down on top. Let's go all the way over towards the right side. We're going to draw the sleeve. Draw a straight angle line going up, round up the sleeve, coming down towards the bottom, and then angle that back in. From the top of the sleeve, we're going to step down, angle the arm, going up, and then go straight up towards the claw. Let's come down and do the same thing. Drawing the outside of the arm, going up towards the top. Now from the outside of the arm, we're going to draw the claw, going all the way around, almost like a half circle, and just pull that back in. And just like we did across the bottom, we're going to add those bumps. Turn this around, then out, step back, add another bump, step back, add another one, and then angle this down. Let's add some money in between the claws. We're going to start from the top, bend this up and in, flatten this off, bend this in and then down, and go out in behind the claw. Now we're going to go back to the bottom, bend this up and then out, add another curve going in behind the money. Now I'm just going to line up the side, and we're going to draw in the left side of that circle for the inside of the claw, coming down towards the wrist. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's Mr.Krabs' take from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.